We are preparing this short pitch for Mr. Rishi Mohes, who is the Managing Director of Royan Agriculture Development Company. Right now, we are in a groundnut field. You can see the spring roll lines as well as the gypsum put here. The crop has reached its flowering stage now. Let us now see a rice field and we will introduce ourselves to you. We are a team of 3 people having expertise in agriculture. First of all, Mr. Hanmant Rao, having 45 plus years of experience in farm management and services. Second member is Mr. Shrikant Mohan, who is an agriculture engineer with 11 plus years of experience in farm machinery operations and management. And lastly, myself, Sharat Chandran. I am an agriculture plant pathology and plant protection graduate with 3 plus years of professional experience. Let me show you a millet field, which is in 75 centimeter ridge and furrow system.
See, this is a millet field, pearl millet. Here you can see ridges and furrows. We are planting crop in a ridge and furrow system. Here it is a 75 centimeter ridge and furrows. The field operations are totally mechanized, and we can say almost 90%. Only weeding is done manually. Okay, that also we have rolling cultivator for the purpose. Here you can see the ridge and furrow and the pearl millet crop. This is just 20 days old crop. You can see the gated pipes here. The irrigation is through the gated pipes, and there are gates in that pipe. We can open the gates in the furrows and we can irrigate. All fields are equipped with the hydrants like this, so that we will get an output of water. Water is coming from an overhead tank from the rainwater harvest structures in the farm. The total area of the farm is around 1500 hectares. We are growing different 6 different crops here. I will show different crops in different location. Okay, we will move to some other field now. This is another field. This is actually off season. It is a winter season, and we are keeping these fields as fallow. We are just disc the field, and we will keep for certain time, so that we can retain all the last year crop stubbles will decompose when we get a rain and other thing like that. So you can have an overview like this. See the farm roads, this thing. Okay, we will move to some other field. Basically it is a research organization, so we have to maintain a particular precision in field preparation and other thing. We will move to some other field now. See here a 6 sector block. Field preparation, that means land leveling is in progress. You can see the leveler is in operation here. So almost a 6 sector. We are planning for millet in coming season. Maybe within a month we will grow pearl millet here. Let's see some paddy growing area. This is a paddy growing area, so the seedlings are ready for transplanting. Here most of the fields we will do manually, even though rice transplanters are available. Here we are doing with manual labor. See, these fields are ready after puddling, and all the fields are ready. I'll show you one field which is already transplanted last week. See this. So this is recently transplanted. This is and all fields are equipped with such kind of small hydrants. So just open the valve and water will come out. You can give easily irrigation and drainage. At the time we can cut the bunds and we can drain the fields. We can also move water from one field to other like this through these pipes, so the water level can be managed. This is the one of the topmost point where I am standing, so you can see some fields here. So basically we will do, we will harvest the rainwater and will pump it to some such kind of a storage tanks. You can call it as a surface tank. With this pressure from this tank we have given underground pipelines to different fields, so the irrigation pressure basically with the gravity only, so no other pump or anything is required. This is the thing you can see here.